Absolutely. Akaran, thank you so much for all of those updates. And as we clearly see, the DMart did snap slowdown where the growth is surging, and trend quarter four revenues highest in the last 3 quarters, and the stock price are also up by around 7% for trend and almost a 3% on Avenue Supermart. Let's move ahead and talk about a big shift coming in the insurance space. ET now learns zero commission standard products may go live on Bima Sugam starting June, with motor, health and term plans being rolled out in phases. Let's join in Anurag for more details on the same. Anurag, Bima Sugam set to disrupt insurance. What's the details that we are having?
Just 2 more months and Bima Sugam platform will go live from June 2026, and as per our sources, starting with June 2026, motor insurance product for new vehicles will be available on the Bima Sugam platform. Going ahead from month of August, the health insurance product, and from month of September, term insurance product will be available on Bima Sugam platform, and these product will be standard product and a zero commission product. So there will be a platform fees which will be paid by insurance companies. 5 to 7% of platform fees will be there, but there will be no commission on these standard products. They will be completely zero commission product on Bima Sugam platform, and standard product will be there with a few add-ons. 5 to 6 add-ons will be offered to policyholders. So as per their requirement, they can choose add-ons for their policy. For example, for motor insurance policy, standard product will be there, but policyholder can choose add-on provided by insurance companies on the Bima Sugam platform. So zero commission product on the digital marketplace, much awaited digital marketplace for insurance, for buying insurance, for claim servicing, for selling insurance will go live from month of June 2026.